why do people cheat? So I think we have to qualify the question, kasi the question might be applicable to other aspects or to other dimensions. So I think she refers to cheating in the relationship. So I hope sakto ko no sa akong pagsabot sa pangutana. So why do people cheat in a relationship? So daghang moingon nga man is polygamous in nature. So isa ko sa inungdan nga ang lalaki mo cheat, pero ang pangutana, lalaki ra day mo cheat, dili po day mo cheat ang mga babae. Oh, di ba? Di ba? Oh, aminin, girls. Aminin. I think depende yan sa tao, no? Kasi logically speaking, not all men are cheaters. And also, not all women are cheaters. So depende yun na siya sa tao. No? So in connection to what I have mentioned kanina about sa satisfaction, siguro there are people who are not satisfied in the relationship and they keep on looking for what is lacking. They keep on looking for what they do not have in the relationship. Nga ila ang pangitaon sa ubang tao, muna nga maka-cheat ang tao. Ikaduha, reason is that there are some people who cannot control their sexual desires, for instance, who cannot control their emotions, who cannot control their materialistic or animalistic nature nga sa pagkatao. Kay nature man sa tao, kay animal man ta, naman tayo animalistic nature. So if we cannot control our sexual desires, unya na yung mga panahon, for example, nga ang uyab wala diri, ang asawa urbana wala diri, unya natintal na, nadala sa sitwasyon, no? So mo nagitawag nila og nakapang-cheat ang tao because a person was not able to control his or her sexuality. That is why, according to Plato, an ancient philosopher, he says that we have to let our mind control us, not our bodily desires. Kaya kung i-kontrolo na to, if we let our bodily desires control or takes control of ourselves, muna hinungdan nga mahagbong ta sa kaalautan. You have to think first if it is right, ay hata mo bungat, ay hata mo buhat sa kinabuhi. Okay?